In this second video, we're going to use SDA to compare one variable against another. That is, to see how many people answered whether they thought Barack Obama was born in the United States or not. And we want to compare that against people who were in the Republican Party, the Democratic Party, or independents. And we're also going to look at people who said they were strong or weak supporters of the Tea Party. So to get started, you should already have your browser pointed to icpsr.umich.edu and have found the study that we're interested in examining for this project. If you aren't in the right place, you should review the first video or look at your exercise sheet to make sure you're in the right place. So as before, we're going to expand out, and the first question that we're going to be interested in looking at here is whether Obama was born in the U.S. or not. And so if we click here and we put this into the row, run the table, and we see the percentage of people that thought Obama was born and was not born in the United States. What we're interested in learning is whether people who were Republicans, Democrats, or independents differed in whether or not they thought Obama was born in the U.S. And so what we have to do is we have to have our row variable be the number of people who thought Obama was born in the U.S. or not, and the column variable will break that up by party. So right here we have people saying, do you generally think of yourself as a Republican, a Democrat, or an independent? And so we're going to click on that variable. We're now going to add it in the column. Notice how the party variable is in the column and the Obama birthplace is in the row. If we run the table, and now we see that among Democrats, 62% of them thought Obama was born in the U.S., whereas among Republicans, only 23% thought Obama was born in the U.S., and 47% thought that he was born somewhere else. Independents are somewhat mixed. So again, what we did here is I found the variable that I was interested in this case, whether Obama was born in the U.S. or not, here. I put it in the row. And then the variable that I wanted to compare it on, which was party, I put that in the column, run the table, and we get the breakdown that we want. Now your task for your exercise is to look at some other variables, such as whether or not you supported the Tea Party. So it's essentially the same exercise as we've done here, but you, instead of the party, you're going to look at Tea Party support or opposition.